Save this video, the recipe's in the caption. This is my version of like healthy-ish meatloaf. Instead of the topping sauce, the recipe I gave you, I'm gonna use some HP. Okay, I'm just in the mood for that. It just seems like extra tangy. I think my mouth is watering. Why does it always do that? Like, can someone tell me, is that normal? We also have some mashed potatoes that are not so healthy. It's so damn good. I love a potato. I could eat potatoes for every meal. Some asparagus. These are really good too. I did these up in the cast iron skillet. Friend. Okay. Let's get a bitty bite of this. Oh, that's super tender. I put a truckload of onion in here because I love it. Yes. I knew I was gonna love it with that HP. I knew it. Perfectly tangy. Okay, now we need some meatloaf and mashed potato, and then an extra dip of HP. Hello, lover. Get in my belly. That'll do it, boys and girls. That will do it. I'm gonna go eat with my husband. I love you.